Hi there! In this video, we will cover every step of creating an order on our platform. First, let's add recipients. To do that, go to the Recipients tab on the left. Press Add in the top right corner and fill out the basic information about the recipient. You will need such information as the first and last name of a recipient, email address, and type of recipient from the drop-down list. It would be great if you can provide the phone number and delivery address of the recipient as well. However, it is not required, as we will ask your recipient to give us this information directly, providing us with links to your recipient's social media accounts. And plugging in keywords about them will help our AI technology find better gift solutions. Click Add and the recipient profile will be created. You can review it by navigating to the Recipients tab. Now, let's go through the steps of creating an order. We can create an order in two ways, either by clicking Create Order button on the dashboard or going to the Orders tab and clicking the New button at the top right corner. Then, choose Smart Gifting. On this page, you need to fill out order information such as order name, total budget, the gifting purpose from the drop-down list, start, and expiration dates. Please do not forget about the expiration date, as it is the last day when your recipient will be able to access the redemption link. Scrolling down, you can choose the recipients from the list or group of recipients that you want for your order. You can opt to distribute your budget equally among the recipients by clicking the Smart Budget button or plugging in the gift budget for each recipient manually. Click on the Next button. It will take you to the next page where you can create your own templates of emails your recipients will be receiving. To start, press the New Template button on the right. Add your template name and email subject. If you scroll down, you will be able to review and customize the text and logo of each email template. To customize text, just click on a text box and add or change anything you want. You can add your company logo by clicking on the logo box in the redemption email and redemption page templates. There is also an opportunity for you to send out a test email to your email address. You simply need to click Send Test Email on the right, type in your email address, and select a preferred language. It will appear in your inbox after a few minutes and will look like this. After you added all the necessary components to your order, click Next at the bottom right corner and the order will appear on the Orders tab. In order for your campaign to start, you need to purchase credits. Navigate to the Billing tab. This page shows your current subscription plan, remaining credits, and total unpaid credits of your account. At the top right corner, you can click the Purchase Credits button and fill out your billing information, such as billing name, street address, country code, phone number, city, zip code, email address, and country. Then, you can go ahead and type in the number of credits you want to buy. Click Create an Invoice button below. After we receive your payment, the credits will show up in your account and you will be able to view them on your dashboard. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.